Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend Twitter account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so in this tutorial, we're not going to open our Twitter app, but easily what we're going to do, we'll go and open our browser. In that case, I'm going to choose Google Chrome because it's my favorite one. And now once I'm open this one, which is Google Chrome, you're going to enter this link over here, which is help.twitter.com. And now once you're here in the help center, just go for the search bar and you're gonna search for appeal and click enter as well. And from now you will have over than 48 articles for the appeal one. And now we're gonna search for this one here, which is appeal a locked or suspended account. And we're gonna click on it as well, as you can see over here. So here it says, as you can see, you are currently not logged in or logged in into a Axe account that is not suspended or logged. So please log out and log in once again to your account. And so you're going to click on log out over here, as you can see on this button, and you're going to log in once again. And once you log into your account, you can go and fill the appeal form. And now you just need to wait a response from Twitter, and hopefully they're going to help you with that. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.